Now it's the time for us to do the whole form. The things for us to remember is why we are doing Tai Chi. Before we go on to a trip, we plan our trip. Before we do our forms, we plan and think about our forms. Go through everything you know, loosen up the tensions in your body. Breathe naturally and calmly. Let go that things that is troubling you. Don't think of anything. Focus on your body. Feel what we do. Pick up left leg, toes and heel. Fingers extend, bend wrist, hand extend forward. Pull elbow, press both hands, knee bend. Turn waist to left, circle both hands embrace. Left foot steps out. Parting while horse's mane, first move, adjust right toes. Sit back, turn waist, open toes. Turn palms to embrace, to step forward. Shifting weight forward, separate both hands. Sit back, turn waist, open toes. Turn palms to embrace, to step forward. Shifting weight, separate both hands, parting while horse's mane finished. A small step, sit back, turn palm face each other. Lift and press, adjust left heel, white crane. Brush and pushed, right hand circle down, left hand circle up. Balance right hand with left leg. Brushed left hand. Pushed right hand. Sit back, turn waist, open toes. Shifting weight forward, balance left hand with right foot. Brush right hand, pushed left hand. Sit back, turn waist, open toes. Shifting weight forward, balanced right hand with left foot. Brushed left hand and push right hand. A small step. Sit back, lift left, press right, hamstring the loop. Repulse monkey steps back, open both hands, palm facing up. Step back, back elbows bend. Shifting weight back, push and pull hands. Second time. Open both hands, palms facing up. Step back, back elbows bend. Shifting weight back, push and pull. Open both hands, palms facing up. Step back, back elbows bend. Shifting weight and push and pull. Opening both hands, palms facing up. Step back, back elbows bend. Shifting weight, push and pull. Repulse monkey is finished. Grasping bird style, turn waist, face front, circle hand. Left foot comes in, embrace of your hand. Left foot steps out, lift, left, press right, ward off. Turn waist to the left, turn palm, sit back. Roll back complete. Contact the hands in front of the chest. Shifting weight, right hand, squeeze left hand. Separate both hands.
sit back, elbows down, press and push forward. Grasping bird tail left side, transition. Sit back, elbows bend. Turn waist, close left toes, push both hands out. Right hand, right foot pulls back to embraced. Step right foot out to ward off. Turn waist to right, rotating palms, sit back to roll back. Contact both hands in front of the chest. Left hand squeeze out right hand. Separate both hands, sit back, drop elbow, press hands and push forward. Single whip, sit back, close right toes, drop right hand. Shifting way, hand change. Extend right hand out, palm, then hook. Look left, step left, pushed left hand. Wave hands like cloud. Sit back, closed left toes, drop left hand. Hand change, lift and press. Turn waist, right foot adjust one. Lift and press. Turn waist, left leg steps out. Lift and press. Turn waist, right foot closed second time. Lift and press. Move from left to right, left leg steps out. Lift and press. Move from right to left, right foot closed third time. Second single whip. Change the hand. Extend right hand out to hook. Eyes look left, step out, pushed left hand. Next move, hip head on horse, a small step, open palm, bend right elbow, pushed right hand out. Right heel kick, step left foot out, cross both hands, squats down. Separate hand, right heel kick. Box opponent's ears. Both hands comes together. Step down, circle hands into fist. Turn body, left heel kick. Shifting way to right, move left legs in. Squat, circle hands in front, separate, and kick. Bend knee, right hand hook, left hand palm. Turn waist to right, left leg step back. Turn waist, open left toes, drop left hand. Shifting way forward, close right, drop both shoulder, lift. Right side, right knee, right hand. Placed, right foot down, turn waist, pivoting on right toes, left toes. Shifting way, left hand hook, right hand palm. Right foot step back, opened right toes, drop right hand. Shifting way forward, closed, left toes. Shoulders down, lift, left knee, left hand. Next move, Fair Lady. Right foot step forward. Pull elbows back, extend, turn palm and push. Sit back, close right toes, adjust left foot. Turn waist, Pull elbows back, turn palm and push. Picking up the needle, adjust right foot, both hands, shoulders down, left foot on toes. Fan through the back, body upright, steps out, push and pull. Turn, chop with fist. Sit back, close toes. Right hand hold fist. Period block and punch. Step forward, push pull of the hand. Shifting weight and punch. Parallelly close, open hands. Trace out each other by sitting back. Pull elbows down, pressed and push. Closing, sit back, separate both hands. Shifting weight, hands down. Adjust right foot, close hands. Lift, turn. Let go tension. Left foot close.